So it's Advent of Code 2020. We just completed part 1 for day 5. Let's take a look at part 2 and see if we can earn a second gold star. Okay, so I guess the fasten seatbelt sign has come on, and we've got to find our seat. We've scanned everybody's boarding pass, and so now the process of elimination part comes in. It sounds like there are IDs towards the front and back of the plane that don't exist. So our seat will be the missing seat that is somewhere in the middle, and we'll be able to identify it by looking for, I guess, where there's a gap in the IDs. So there'll be IDs that are +1 and -1 from ours. So we just need to find that gap. Okay. Well, if we copy our part 1 solution to part 2, not sure I've totally grokked the problem description of part 2 here, but my sort of working theory is that if we were to skip those steps for a second and just print out all of the seat numbers, there might be a gap somewhere in there that ours would fit into. So I kind of want to sort that and then print it out and just, I guess, see what it looks like. Okay. So these are all looking pretty sequential. So maybe that's the trick, is we sort these and we just see if somewhere in that list of sequential things we have a gap. I guess we could just go one by one and see if sort of the next thing in the list is not one more than the current thing. Oh, I feel like there's a way in Ruby to have sort of a look ahead. Yeah, maybe what we need to do though is do like a with index and each with index, and we're going to get the current value, the current seat ID, and our index, call it I. Oh, but we don't have a handle on the, okay. We don't, yeah, so if we do this, this is fine, but then I won't have sort of the resulting array to reference the next time on the list with the index. So I sort of do need to do what I was thinking of, which is like break them up into every 2 chunks of 2. So if we look at the enumerables, I wonder if we could use zip. So zip, it combines, zip combines every, oh, A, B, I see, okay. Oh, I can't exit, gotta Control C, okay. So let's open up Pry and take a look at zip. So 1, 2, 3, 4, and we zip it with 2, 3, 4, 1. So I guess what I'm thinking here is if we take our list of numbers and we zip it together with our same list of numbers, like offset by 1, we'd be able to kind of go through and find where it is that we have a pair of numbers that aren't separated by 1. So if our list was 2, 3, 4, is there a way to like shift a list over? Okay, shift. Let's see. Oh, the internet's being slow. Okay, so shift on args. Shift, yeah, it looks like it just removes the first item, leaves you with the rest. Okay, I think that's what we want. If I was to jump back over here, you can imagine list.zip, list.shift. Does not like list. Wrong argument type. That's confusing. So we define list like this. List.zip. It worked fine up here. Oh, it's because list.shift returns an integer. Let's see, list.zip, list. Tap, it's not tap that I'm thinking of. What do I want to do? No, try, no. Given 1, expected 0. It's because it takes a block. How about that? Array slice 0 and does. Maybe that's what we want. If I take, oops, 1, 2, 3, 4, slice 0, 0, 4. How about 1, 4? Okay, so that list equals, and then I say list.zip, list.slice 1, list.size. That's more like it. You know, and I could even exclude this last bit here by redefining list and then calling list dot slice 0 there. I get all the pairs we want. I like that. So let's get out of here. Back in here, so we got the sort. So sorted ordering passes. That's what that is. And now everywhere we say list, say sorted ordering passes. And the result of this series of calls is going to be the pairing of seats. So then for each of these, we want to go through and say seat 1, seat 2, we want to say, are they one apart? Is raise standard. Yeah, we can do our throw catch thing that we did in the day 1 solution. Catch, do object, we do this whole thing, and then we can throw object seat 1 if we ever find seat 1 plus 1 does not equal seat 2. So if they're not one apart, then that's an issue and we should throw. And then maybe we'll jump out of here, at which point we can have our seat next to ours will be found. So I can put that out. Yeah, let's see how that does. 624. Kind of curious if I scroll back. 624. Oops. 624, 626. Okay. So then our answer is going to be not 624, but 625. Six, 2, 5. Is that going to get us our gold star? It does. All right. We are all set for day 5. We have 10 stars. Maybe we'll see it for day 6. Thanks for watching.